Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you as always for coming back. If you guys are not aware, Tjmaxx is like probably one of my favorite stores. I mean, from fashion to beauty. So basically at Tjmaxx you can find just about everything. Before starting off with the products that I'm about to show y'all, please don't forget to enter the ongoing giveaway where I am giving away 3 gifts. You guys know I recently hit 1K and I'm celebrating. So the giveaway is still open. If in case you guys are not yet entered, feel free to hop on over and check that video out. Let's get straight into this mini haul. So this is like perfumes, and I have one candle which is like my honorable mention. So the very first perfume we're going to talk about, this one is Versace. I'm very familiar with this perfume, and I'm super happy to add it to my collection. This is the Eau de Toilette, and again this is the yellow diamond. I have a 1 fluid ounce. So in case you're not familiar, the perfume looks like this. It is so pretty, y'all. The name is perfect for this bottle because it is a yellow diamond. So like I said, this is not new to me. I know what it smells like, but it's been a minute since I actually smelled it. So whenever I spray this on instantly, I feel like it's gonna be perfect for summer. It is very bright, it's airy. Whenever I get a 1 fluid ounce, I'm like, why did I do that? So the opening definitely catches your attention. I feel like this is perfect for sunny days, summer days. I do not recall what the longevity is on this one, but I will definitely be putting it into use in the coming months because it's been a minute since I actually used this one. Basically, this is just to me a beautiful floral fragrance, and I really enjoy not only the packaging but the fragrance as well. So again, this is Versace Yellow Diamond. So on the yellow diamond, the 1 fluid ounce was $31.99. The next fragrance is a blind buy. I have seen it around, I've heard about it, I've never smelled it. I'm talking about Sexy Rio de Janeiro, whatever, by Michael Kors. I did look at the notes though while I was in the store, and in the main note on this one is mango. So I was like, okay, tropical indeed. Oh, so cute. So this is what it looks like. I'm kind of into the 1 fluid ounce, y'all, because that way I know for sure that I will eventually get through it. Sometimes I buy a bigger bottle and it's just like, no. With mango being the top note, this is definitely a fruity floral. And like I said, it will be perfect for summer. Let's find out what it really smells like. So there's jasmine, honeysuckle, vanilla in this one. So the mango note to me as the top note is not the most, it's not the most prominent note. I thought the mango was gonna be like more intense. I'm gonna spray it on my skin. Maybe that might be different, but so far like I can smell the honeysuckle almost immediately. I'm slightly disappointed because I was excited when I saw that mango note, but smelling it now, it's like more jasmine and honeysuckle. The vanilla and the mango, not so present. I don't know if you guys have this, like what do you think about this one? But remember, this is my first impression, so I don't know. So I feel like the honeysuckle is super present, not so much the mango. So disappointed. I'm disappointed that the mango is not like in your face, you know, but it's very pretty. I feel like I will enjoy this in the warmer months as well. Even like settling on my skin, it's just mango wear. Yeah, I don't detect it, but I still like it very much. I don't know how that's gonna develop on my skin, so time will tell. So again, this one was Michael Kors, Sexy Rio de Janeiro, and I got this one for $21.99. This one is Glam Jasmine by Michael Kors. I have no idea how this one smells. So this one is also a blind buy, and this one was actually expensive. This one was $36.99, but this is a 3.4 fluid ounce. All right, so this one is a big one. I mean, all the bottles pretty much look the same. I do like the juice in there. It is like slightly tinted, like a rosé type of color. So because of the name, I'm expecting it to be highly concentrated in floral notes. Let's find out, because that other fruity floral was slightly disappointing. So this one is all jasmine, white florals, and cassis and sandalwood. Let's find out how we feel about that one. Ooh, yes, this is a floral, highly floral fragrance. If you're into white florals and jasmine, for sure, I feel like you will enjoy this. And for the size and the price, you definitely got a good deal. It is very light, I feel like. Like at first, it's like a burst of florals, but then it quickly fades away. So I don't know about what the longevity will be like on this one. Yeah, it quickly faded away on this. So that's very telling. Out of the 3 fragrances that I just unboxed, I have a favorite. Out of the 3, my favorite is the Yellow Diamond. So out of the 2 Michael Kors, I do prefer the Sexy Rio de Janeiro. However, the fruity mango note that I was expecting it's not present to my nose. I don't know. I don't know if it will develop on me over time or if it's just like a very soft hint of mango. It's just not as strong as I thought that it would be, but I do prefer it out of these 2. So this one is heavy on the floral in the opening, but still kind of light. So these are the 3 fragrances I got. Whenever I go to Tjmaxx, I must stop at the candle section. DW Home has amazing candles. For the most part, I do enjoy a variety of candle scents. It doesn't really matter, but I got this raspberry grapefruit. This one smells heavenly. All it's missing is some ice. Oh, y'all, this could be the best fruity summer drink ever. This is a 15.3 ounce candle, like pretty big, and it was only $7.99. So this smells great. Like your house will smell amazing. I truly like them. And instead of spending like $25 for one Bath and Body candle, you can get some amazing deals on this one. So these are hand poured and then they burn up to 56 hours. I truly believe that because I have another one I got recently and it has lasted like pretty long as well. So refreshing. I want to drink this. You guys need to get into these candles if you haven't already. That is it for my mini haul at Tjmaxx. What do y'all think about it? Do you own any of the fragrances I mentioned? And have you ever tried the DW Home candles? Let a girl know in the comment section below. I will be using these fragrances. I'm sure you guys will be seeing them in upcoming videos. And yeah, that is it for the video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.